So players, this time, hi!
Kuyog ta adto ta sa Mandawi City New Public Market. Mao na siya ang karaan nga merkado karon moingon kog New Public Market kay ngano nana sila function room. Mao gani na karon mo adto ta kay birthday aning among baby Shani. Say hi. So aras kuyog ta. Tana.
Amen.
Juncture, all together, we're going to sing a happy birthday song for our birthday boys. Now all together, and count 3. 1, 2, 3, music play. Happy birthday to you. Clap your hands. Happy birthday to you. Sing with us. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. And now make it faster. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. One more time, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, big, big, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Yes, clap praise for Nico Papa. Okay, players, hi.
Hello.
Yes, loud your voice ha. Okay, again, hi.
Hello.
Yes, ang ako sa ultimo boy makadaos sa akong first game. Hi. Hello. Okay, are you ready? Okay, how old are you? 7. From what school? Ay, mom din yung Ateneo di ay no. Okay, what grade are you now?
2.
Grade 2. Favorite subject? Oh. Yes, your name? Again? Wow, how old are you? 9. From what school? Ateneo, yes. So what is your favorite subject? Math. 5 plus 2.
6.
5 plus 2?
7.
Yes, plus 2.
9.
Plus what?
10.
Minus 2.
8.
Wow, clap your hands! What is the complete name of the birthday boy? Faster, 1, 2. Okay, come here. Complete name of the birthday boy.
Nicholas John C. Roman.
Again?
Nicholas John C. Roman.
Sakto, ma'am? O sa mga C?
Carson.
Yeah, kasi mo mga pelikula lang gawin. Ang pelikula na din. When is the exact date of Nico's birthday? Ikaw na sa? Ano lang? Siya na. Okay, okay, pila na. Ano na dito sa side sa ha? Okay. So now, when is the exact date of Nico's birthday. Kamusta ang birthday ni Nico? And when is the exact date of Nico's birthday?
September 10,
September 10. How about the year?
2019.
Patay! Okay, ako balikon ha. Go!
September 10, 2019.
Patay! Balika!
September 10, 2018.
Yes, ikaw madam. Kamusta madam?
September 10, 2008.
Ako perfect! Lahi ka dyan! Okay, okay. Ha! Madam, api na lang na duwa, madam. Ha? Wala ka mga bata. Okay, next question. Okay, what is the name of the mother? Mother of Nicolas! Dali! O sis, kay wireless na lang ng microphone, magpasa-pasa ko ha. Okay. What is the name of the mother? Mother of Nicolas?
Annie Grace Calderon.
Again?
Annie Grace Calderon.
Annie Grace Calderon.
Annie Grace Calderon.
Wow, sakto man! Yes, mga nagpapala sa unang isa pangalan sa papa sa nag-birthday. Okay, alin na din na side. Pangalan sa nag-birthday sa papa.
Jocelyn Roman.
Ha?
Jocelyn Roman.
Sakto! Oh, nasa kay prize na ulit ang yung prize na. Let's go! Okay, sa mga brands sa shampoo. Okay, tayo ng mga brands sa shampoo sa magsugod ko. Panty,
Dawn.
Jam,
Sunset.
Sunset,
Palmolive.
Palmolive, Fishguard. Okay, this is good. So, what was this good? Okay, na madam. Ready, shoulder. Surf. Purity.
Garnier.
Garnier.
Clear.
Clear.
Princess.
Ay, shampoo. Divisional, nag-music lang ko. Ay, ikaw! Ariel! Pantin! Wow! Cellphone, oh, di ba? Sabi ko na kayo anak, mga millennials na bayan mo. Kabahan mo, sugod ko! iPhone!
Samsung.
Samsung!
Xiaomi.
Xiaomi! Xiaomi! Hindi! Ay, mo ba?
Vivo.
Vivo! Ha? Oh, more than we. Today, what? Smartphone! Oppo! Nokia!
Realme.
Ha?
Realme.
Ano Realme ay?
Vivo.
Ang matanasa ng Vivo, bye! Yeah! Boss, ito na yung talaga. Okay. Mga color na walay letter E. Okay, color na walay letter E. Ha? Okay, ready? Magsugod ko. Pink!
Black.
Black!
Brown.
Brown!
Fuchsia.
Fuchsia!
Gray.
Gray!
Gold.
Gold! Nicole! Yes! Dili wala na po ng efficacy ani ha. Perfume ra ha. Okay, perfume. Magsugod ko. Lacoste. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Lincoln. Gusto ko na perfume na. Dagan kayo. Avon.
Avon.
Avon. Ano sa perfume? Wala siya na mga ikaw.
Encha.
Ensha.
Bath and Body Works.
Ah.
Victoria's Secret.
Oh, sala.
Bench.
Ay, sala. Ano pa po niya dahil? Sa kanya ka. What do we put perfume the okay? Okay ha, next category. Okay, lugar ha, lugar na international ha. Okay, lugar na naikinalasan na word na land. Ha? Okay, lugar na naikinapusan na land. Okay, magsugod ko. Thailand!
Iceland.
Iceland! Kuha lagi dito likod na dito dahil ha. Likod na dahil ha. Okay, kikuha naman niya dahil. Sapatos! 1, 2, 3, magsuot ko Adidas! Nike!
Sofa.
Sofa 1, 2, 3, 4! Lingkod! Okay! Yeah, oh. Sorry kayo. Oh, detergent na, detergent. Isa sa dito kami lang ha. Okay, detergent na. Magsugod ko. Ariel! Sir! Pa! Sir! Mana, yato na sopa. Dito na dito dahil. Ulugin sa... Okay. Masabon para ligo. Oh, sabon para ligo ha. Sopra na pala dili pwede liquid ha. Okay, ready? Mag-stop ko. Diyan!
Safeguard.
Safeguard!
Likas.
Likas papaya ha. 1, 2, 3, 4! Lingko! Okay, next category. Ma-brand sa bag ha. Ma-male or ma-female ha. Ready? Magsugod ko sa bag. Chanel!
Gucci.
Gucci!
Michael Kors.
Michael Kors!
Louis Vuitton.
Louis Vuitton!
Jansport.
Transport 1, 2, 3, 4!
Gucci.
Gucci, mana na sila Gucci tayo. Bye! Yes, talo na lang pagpag! Okay. Okay, tagain ko oh. The next category we have, okay, ma-bride sa salina. Okay, bride sa salina ha. Malaki or mababay. Ma-crop top or ma-t-shirt ha. Okay, magsugod ko. Pen shop. Ben.
Nike.
Nike.
H&M.
Chanel.
Adidas.
Adidas.
Forever 21.
Forever 21.
Under Armour.
Under Armour. Why?
Burger King.
Walang ka ba? Dito na dito. Oh, dito na ha. Yes, doon na lang papa! Okay, next category. Okay, tagay ko og municipality ha. Municipality sa north or sa south ra ha. Dili pwede city ha. Municipality ra ha. Province of municipality. Ready? Magsugod ko. Sugod!
Carmen.
Carmen! 1, 2, 3! Ano ilan lang? Dagan kayo. Bonggo at sila gano. Okay, Papa! Yes, you are the winner! Okay, so now this game, okay, it's what we call the Bring Me game. Okay, who can bring me here? I need 2 winners. Who can bring me? I want your bag! Bag! Dali! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8! Plastic bag! Plastic bag! 8, 9! Plastic bag! Wala plastic bag? I want plastic bag. Okay, wala plastic bag. Who can bring me here? I want your cell phone! 1, 2, cell phone battery! Battery! Ano pa ni battery? Yes, camera! Ako na ng battery pero wala kayo mag-gamit. Joke na lang ha. Okay, next order! Who can bring me here? I want your beautiful and sexy mommy! Pinagwapa na mama! Dali, 1, 2, bawala ba makya? Dali na po mama! Dali, 1, 6, 7, 2 years! Dali na! 1, 2, oh, sumachubby mahiyon! Oh, my healthy! Ano, nagkulit yung ang tuluan ni madam, no? Pwede man tamabalas ka, magdako-dako man ko, dili na madam ha. Kaya kung bago pa nilunod data ha, anak ha. Okay, magila-ila sa kamadam ha. Kamagwapa sa tumama, may kama-healthy ko, ayun ha. Mga pangalan ma?
What's my name?
Limot na siya yung pangalan, no? Okay, pangalan ma?
Roman Pinto.
Pili edad na ito ma?
48.
48! Asa na belong, sexy or beautiful? Wow! Beautiful, high school, sexy mo na. Okay, pangalan ma?
Josephine.
Wow, Ma'am Josephine, how old are you ma?
Friends.
Secret! Asa na belong, sexy or beautiful?
Pretty bold.
Yeah! pwede tayo, no? Go to the Amada, no? Okay, clap your hands! Utang na isa. Bring me here. I want your daddy! Handsome daddy, dali! Daddy, wow! Doing your stairs! Daddy! Sure na gabi! Wala lang, daddy! Pwede ko sa dali, one! Daddy or kuya, dali, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Handsome daddy or lolo, dali! Dali si lolo! Ali lolo! Ali na! Sir, wala na dyan gusto ko si ikaw dyan pinakagwapo din no? Sa Paradise Garden, ikaw lang ako na pinakagwapo no? Ano ka ha no?
Good evening, everyone. I would like to thank everyone who masaya na lang ako. Kaya nagpasalamat ko sa tanan ni Andy karon. Even though kay Gawin ang gayo, then weekdays pa yun, lastly, and trabaho sa kasagaran nato, inyong presence kay amo ayong i-appreciate. And thank you tayo sa tanan-tanan. And wish na ko for Nicholas is good health, is be a good boy always, and mommy and daddy loves you so much. Hey!
This time, we're going to sing happy birthday for our birthday boy. Okay, all together, the count 3. 1, 2, 3, sing. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. And now make it faster. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. One more time. Happy birthday to you. Bum, bum, bum. Happy birthday to you. Beep, beep, beep. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. Yes, God bless for Nicholas. Bye-bye. Okay, bibigyan mo. Okay, before you blow your candle, mommy and daddy, close your eyes first. Then make a wish for your son. Okay, so this time we're going to count 3 down to 1. All together count in 3, 2, 1. Blow. Yes, clap your hands. And now, baby Nicholas is now officially 1 year old. Bye-bye.